two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not only a password but also a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on RAMP 2026. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the RAMP 2026 website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure that you are on a secure network to protect your login information. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for a section labeled Security or Account Security. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving your second factor, such as via SMS, an authentication app, or email. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. If using an app, you may need to scan a QR code. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen method, you will usually need to enter a verification code sent to you or generated by the app. Enter this code to confirm the setup and save your changes. Make sure to log out and test the 2FA to ensure it works. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your RAMP 2026 account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.